time here create 5 voltage, and this 5 voltage goes to everywhere where we need of 5. Everyone, so this is Ozil. Welcome back to my channel in English. So today I am going to start our Ecm training class number 3. So in this video we have discussed about Hyundai Kia Ecm. This hardware number ME17.9.11.1. So actually this Ecm have no communications problem. So the supply of power IC, how to operate power IC, and how to input and how to output work this power IC. So this is the power IC, this number 40049, and this is our processor TC1762. Last video we have discussed about power IC 30639, and this is the third video, class 3rd, and in this video I am discussing about 40048 IC. So let's start the class. So guys, if you want to buy a pinouts, IC pinouts and Ecm pinouts, Ecm files, so you can visit our website ramzon.in. Ramzon is the Indian website. So go and buy the pinouts, files, Ecm pinouts and tools, whatever you want to buy. And also you have any query, any questions, any IC want, then there on the website have already helpline number, WhatsApp number, contact number. You can contact them and they will help you, obviously. So let's go start our video. So we have this Ecm. So this Ecm pin number start from here, pin number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and from 7 start and end to 29 28, and start from here 29 to end 50, and here start from 51 to end 72, and start from here 73 to 94. Okay, and this is the power IC, and this is the processor, and this is the transistor. So we have discussed only two component, power IC and transistor. This is a low voltage regulator, and this is our power IC and system IC. Function IC is also known as this IC. So let's start. While we ignition on our car, on that time pin number 18, this Ecm pin number 18 get 12 volt. It's called ignition voltage, 12 volt ignition voltage, and this voltage come to this 3 resistance. There is locations 1 2 3 resistance. Let me zoom. Yeah, there is a resistance 1 2 and 3 and 4 here is located. So this is our resistance, and these two resistance used for protection, circuit protection. These two resistance used for circuit protections, and these two resistance for supply pin number 19. So when we on the ignition, car key ignition on, this 12 volt come through here and goes to pin number 19. This IC 40048 IC pin number 19. When this IC get 12 volt on pin number 19, on that time he out it it out ground to main relay. It out ground minus 12 volt for main relay. So as we know that in main relay have four pins. This its name is 85, 86 and 87 and 30. So 87 have 12 volt battery voltage, 12 volt, and also 86 some cars in this 80 voltage ignition this voltage, and some have already here 12 voltage. Okay, when we turn on the ignition, this minus 12 volt come here, and he get here is a coil. Here is a coil. When he get 12 voltage, minus 12 voltage, and here is already have a 12 volt. So when it take a coil 12 voltage, it get magnetized. It produce magnet, and this magnet contact to this 12 volt to this 12 volt, and this 12 volt goes to pin number 18 and also goes to pin number 18 and also goes to pin drain of this MOSFET. You can tell anything, MOSFET or transistor. Here is a drain, here is a gate, here is a source. Okay, MOSFET is also a transistor. Okay, it is also types of transistor, so we can call anything, but we know the working. What is the working? This MOSFET working like a low voltage regulator. So on relay pin 30, get 12 volt from relay to pin number 18, and also get 12 volt to the drain, this MOSFET. So when this 12 volt relay 12 volt get pin number 18 12 volt, on that time pin number 14 output 7 voltage, 7 volt out. This 7 volt goes to gate, this MOSFET gate here, this MOSFET to this MOSFET gate through one resistance 102 resistance. It means 102, it means 1 kilo ohm, 1 kilo ohm. When this 7 voltage get here, get this MOSFET, on that time source have 5 voltage output. So this source produce output 5 volt output, and this 5 volt distribute to all board. So let me how to trace the board. So let's start our tracing. This is a multimeter set to the continuity, and this is our 2 probes. When we touch, so pin number 7 start from here, pin number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So as you know, 18 our is ignition, 18 pin number 18 is ignition, and this 18 come here. You can see here, as you see here. So let me zoom. So here you clearly understand how it's work. So there is a multimeter, and this is our Ecm. So here we have ignition 12 volt. This 12 volt pin number 18 come to this 2 resistance. Here you can see, and this is the this 2 is the protection circuit. So how it protect? So when we cross this resistance, so attach to each other, and other side connect to the ground, and pin number 3 or 4, pin number 3 or 4 is a ground. Okay, got it? Here pin number 3 pin number 3 and 4 is a ground, and this resistance other side is connected to the ground, and another side connect to there. It means if there is a problem in this circuit, in this IC, so the circuit will be completed from here, and we prevent the burning and short circuiting, anything. So we got 12 voltage from here, and the other side of resistance goes to the another resistance, and this another side come here, and this goes to pin number 19 here, as you see, pin number 19 here, pin number 19. On that time we got ground for main relay, and this is goes to pin number 30. Here is a 29 and 30, the 30, pin number 30. As you see, I have written here pin number 30 is the main relay ground. So when we turn on the ignition, 40048 IC get 12 voltage on pin number 19, and produce 12 voltage from pin number minus 12 voltage ground from pin number 20. This IC 40048 IC, pin number 20 ground, and ground goes to the main relay on activated, and the main relay voltage 12 voltage come to the pin number 5 or 6. Here you can see here, and 5 or 6 come this MOSFET also, and pin number 18 also. Here you can see pin number 18 have also 12 voltage, and here also 42, but I can explain only here. Okay, and this voltage get on the time pin number 14, pin number 14 produce 7 voltage and come to the this resistance, and this resistance connected to the this MOSFET pin, so it gets 7 voltage. On that time here create 5 voltage, and this 5 voltage goes to everywhere where we need of 5 voltage. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. So guys, if you get knowledge from this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I have also in Hindi channel on YouTube. Its name Ozil Sheikh, so you can also see from there and get knowledge from that video, but on that video we have discussed in Hindi, and now we have discussed in English. So thanks for watching guys.